had enough. She get a little more, I gotta get her acclimated. You ain't want this dick, then why you called? You should've masturbated.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Scott Jordan. I'm back, and in this video I'm finna show you what a bad session looks like. You know what I'm saying? So it's like if you're mixing for somebody, you know what I'm saying, they just hired you, and like you like send me your sessions, and they send you a session that they got from their previous mix engineer, and it looks like this. This is not what it's supposed to look like, bro. And in this session they said it was mixed and mastered in this session right here. You know what I'm saying? I just opened it, I ain't changed nothing. This is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? I just changed the name. So, for one, they got the reverb and deverb on the fucking master. Don't know why. You know what I'm saying? They got the beats, you know what I'm saying, on here. All the vocals on here. So I'm just gonna play some of it so you can hear it. And I can point out like what you're not supposed to do.
Somebody solves it, no conflict like the horses at the rodeo. Conflict helps determine where the story goes. The problem that the character must overcome without conflicts. You got no story, you're done. Boring story plot, I got the perfect tonic. Mix it up with a little external conflict. Character versus character, yeah, you know the narrative. Think about Peter Pan and Captain Hook scaring him. And
like, bruh, it's no fucking EQs. No EQs nowhere to be found. Well, right here, I found one EQ. You know what I'm saying? And right here for the hooks. But it's weird how this dude had this set up. Like, it's crazy. It's no compressors nowhere. You got one knob loud. You know what I'm saying? You got one knob here. And you got the H delay directly on the track. Like, let's see, dude, don't even have it automated. So it's like all throughout the session. Like each of these songs have different tempos, you know what I'm saying? Not unless he like switched it up. Yep, he switched it up, but yeah, you're not supposed to do it like this.
Jordxn's own figure, once I get some figures, bitches gon' show me they figures, depending on what a nigga rockin', what they see me whipping, robbing and stealing, cause that money got that whip up here.
Yeah, no, that's not what it's supposed to look like. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of shit wrong with this session. Like, you only got 2 auxes, trash. Like, this should be sent to an aux within itself. The reverb needs to be an aux within itself. You know what I'm saying? Like they got the beats turned all the way down here. I guess he did it to try to like make it all the same, but like it's just crazy, bro. Like it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like turn it on, turn that group off. You know what I'm doing? I think I'm just searching. Like, bro, no.
Got a side bitch and a mistress. Got a side bitch and a mistress. Got a side bitch and a mistress. My queen wear a lot of hats. Straight to it, she submit to me on the back. On her knees, on her feet, back to her back. Covered like that ass fat, favorite position, hitting and grab it from the back. Before that, known to make my heart. Can't deep throat them, bitch, stay down on your knees. If I let my shit hang the earth, the lean a whole degree. The way the lawyer was slurp me, she earned a whole degree. Spitting shit hotter than a couple third degrees. Spliffing till I'm higher than a 33rd degree. To the bedroom, kitchen, ate breakfast, now a nigga draws missing. Slid without him, won't a shame, I ain't tripping. Hit a curve to the next bird for the pimping. Him, J drive low key like pimping. In my future, fucking Pastor Holmes told me I would be your leader. Since that Sunday sitting next to Jamaica, always felt undefeated. To mad riches and bad bitches, I pledge allegiance.
Yeah, man, this session is just all fucked up. Never pay for shit like this. Like, never pay for shit like this. I'm just letting you know, it's gonna be a little short, quick video. Never pay for shit like this. You're gonna spend a lot of fucking money. Cause you don't wanna spend $400 for this shit, then turn around and have to spend $400 or more to get it fixed. You know what I'm saying? So, I always make sure your engineer knows what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? And if you're an engineer, do not make these mistakes, bro. like do each song in a session because each one of these are not the same. Like he never had the same flow, tone of voice with all these beats. Like it's no way possible to do that. And like did not adjust any of this shit. Like didn't do shit. Like bruh, that's the waste of $400. Like y'all gotta stop letting just anybody record y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like just reverb, you know my nerves. Yeah, but you gotta stop letting anybody record you, bro. Like people don't know what they're doing. Like anybody can get a MacBook or FL Studio or Pro Tools, anything can record you, bro. But not a lot of people know how to really mix. You know what I'm saying? Like you can go to school for it, but it's like you can go to school, get a background, but it's like it's all trial and error. And if you really wanna engineer, bro, you gotta really engineer. Like this is bad, bro. This is bad. Like bad. That's why I changed the name of the title to Fucked Up Session Tutorial. Like never had your session like this. And always make sure the little conductor is off. You know what I'm saying? But at least they got the tempos right. And they got it booked out. But yeah, your session should never look like this. But make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? Give me an idea for the next video, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to do this little quick video for you to let you know like what a bad session looks like and how to spot bad engineers. And I'm out.